Interconnectedness of human body systems and recommendations for health. Relationship between respiration and the autonomic nervous system, especially the parasympathetic nervous system. Respiration is not only an essential process for maintaining life, but is also closely connected to the autonomic nervous system, especially the parasympathetic nervous system. Respiration. The process of absorbing oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide, which is essential for supplying energy to the brain and body. Autonomic nervous system. The nervous system that regulates the body's automatic functions, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and digestion without conscious effort. Parasympathetic nervous system. A part of the autonomic nervous system that is responsible for the rest and digest response. It plays a role in slowing down the heart rate, lowering blood pressure, promoting digestion, and relaxing the body. Correlation between respiration and the parasympathetic nervous system. Respiration is a powerful tool for activating the parasympathetic nervous system. Slow and deep breathing. Consciously breathing slowly and deeply activates the parasympathetic nervous system. This helps to slow down the heart rate, lower blood pressure, and reduce levels of the stress hormone, cortisol. Diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, which involves breathing deeply using the abdomen, stimulates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the main nerve of the parasympathetic nervous system and promotes relaxation responses throughout the body. Correlation between sleep and the autonomic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and health benefits of deep sleep. Sleep is an essential process for the recovery of the body and mind, and is closely connected to the autonomic nervous system, especially the parasympathetic nervous system. Sleep and the parasympathetic nervous system. While sleeping, the parasympathetic nervous system is activated, lowering heart rate and blood pressure, promoting digestion, and allowing the body to rest and recover. Health benefits of deep sleep. Deep sleep, slow-wave sleep, plays an important role in physical recovery, strengthening immune function, and consolidating memory. Physical recovery. During deep sleep, growth hormone is secreted to repair muscles and tissues and regenerate cells. Strengthening immune function. Deep sleep increases the activity of immune cells, increasing resistance to infection. Memory consolidation. During deep sleep, the brain organizes information acquired during the day and stores it as long-term memory. 3. Relationship between sleep and brainwave regulation and hormone secretion. Sleep has a significant impact on brainwaves and hormone secretion. Brainwaves. The pattern of brainwaves changes according to the stage of sleep. Awake state. Brainwaves show fast and irregular beta waves. Relaxed state. Brainwaves show slow alpha waves. Light sleep. Brainwaves show slower theta waves. Deep sleep. Brainwaves show the slowest delta waves. Hormone secretion. Sleep affects the secretion of several hormones. Melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Secretion increases in dark environments. Cortisol, a stress hormone, highest in the morning and lowest at night. Growth hormone, secreted during deep sleep to promote physical recovery and growth. After explaining the comprehensive relationship of all the above, here are the conclusions and recommendations for health that can be drawn. Respiration, the autonomic nervous system, and sleep are closely connected to each other and have a significant impact on health. Slow and deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, relaxing the body, reducing stress, and leading to better sleep. Sufficient sleep stabilizes brainwaves and regulates hormone secretion, providing various health benefits such as physical recovery, strengthened immune function, and improved memory. Conclusion: maintaining a balance of respiration, the autonomic nervous system, and sleep is important for a healthy life. Recommendations for health: practice slow and deep breathing exercises regularly every day. Maintain regular sleep habits. Avoid using electronic devices such as smartphones and TVs before going to bed. Keep the bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Learn how to manage stress. Influence of thoughts on brainwaves, respiration, and sleep. Thoughts can have a significant impact on brainwaves, respiration, and sleep. When anxious or stressed, brainwaves speed up and become irregular. Conversely, when meditating or relaxing, brainwaves slow down and stabilize. When anxious or excited, breathing becomes rapid and shallow. Conversely, in a calm and relaxed state, breathing becomes slow and deep. Worried or anxious thoughts make it difficult to fall asleep and degrade the quality of sleep. Conversely, positive and relaxed thoughts make it easier to fall asleep and induce deep sleep. Introduction to the 11 major systems of the human body. Circulatory system. Composed of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, it transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, etc. to various parts of the body, and removes carbon dioxide, waste products, etc. Respiratory system. Composed of the lungs, bronchi, nose, etc. It is responsible for breathing, which absorbs oxygen and emits carbon dioxide. Digestive system. Composed of the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, etc. It plays a role in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Nervous system. Composed of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, it regulates all functions of the body and responds to external stimuli. Immune system. Composed of white blood cells, lymph nodes, spleen, etc., it protects the body from infection. Musculoskeletal system. Composed of bones, muscles, joints, ligaments, etc. It enables and supports body movement. Endocrine system. Composed of organs that secrete hormones: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries, testes, etc. It regulates various functions of the body. Urinary system. Composed of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, etc. It filters waste from the blood and excretes it as urine. Reproductive system. Composed of male and female reproductive organs, it produces reproductive cells and is responsible for reproduction. Lymphatic system. Composed of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, lymph fluid, etc. It maintains fluid balance and participates in immune responses. Integumentary system. Composed of skin, hair, nails, etc. It protects the body from the external environment and regulates body temperature. Interconnectedness of human body systems. All systems in the human body are closely connected to each other, and a problem in one system can affect other systems. Example: smoking. Smoking is a representative behavior that has a negative impact on several systems of the human body. Respiratory system. Tobacco smoke damages the lungs and can cause chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, lung cancer, etc. Circulatory system. Nicotine constricts blood vessels and raises blood pressure, increasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, myocardial infarction, stroke, etc. Immune system. Tobacco smoke impairs the function of immune cells, reducing resistance to infection. Digestive system. Smoking increases stomach acid secretion, increasing the risk of stomach ulcers, stomach cancer, etc. Endocrine system. Smoking causes hormonal imbalances, increasing the risk of diabetes, thyroid disease, etc. Musculoskeletal system. Smoking inhibits bone formation and decreases bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. In this way, smoking has a complex effect on various systems of the human body, including the respiratory, circulatory, immune, digestive, and endocrine systems, and can seriously harm health. Recommendations for health based on the logic of the interconnectedness of human body systems. Recognizing that all systems in the human body are connected to each other, it is important to approach health from a holistic perspective, rather than just focusing on specific parts. Maintain a balanced diet with a variety of nutrients to support all body systems. Exercise regularly to improve circulation, strengthen muscles, and boost your immunity. Ensure sufficient rest to restore the body and mind and relieve stress. Practice stress management, meditation, yoga, or hobbies to protect your body's systems. Avoid harmful substances like smoking, excessive alcohol, and environmental pollutants. Schedule regular health checkups for early diagnosis and better prevention. Practicing these lifestyle habits will allow all systems in the human body to function harmoniously, leading to a healthy and energetic life. Importance of a personalized approach. As important as understanding the interconnectedness of the human body systems is a personalized approach. The impact of each individual's genetic factors, lifestyle habits, and environmental factors on the body's systems may vary. Therefore, it is important to develop and consistently practice a health management plan that is tailored to your needs. Examples: exercise. High-intensity exercise may be effective for some people, but it may cause side effects in others. It is important to choose the type and intensity of exercise that is appropriate for your fitness level and health status. Diet. If you are allergic to or have indigestion from certain foods, you should avoid those foods and create a diet that is right for you. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment and accepting your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations as they are. Mindfulness can help reduce stress, increase emotional stability, and maintain the balance of the body's systems. Mindful breathing is a meditation technique that focuses on breathing, which is effective in activating the parasympathetic nervous system and relaxing the body. Mindful eating is the practice of eating slowly, focusing on the taste, smell, and texture of food, which helps improve digestion and prevent overeating. Mindful walking is the practice of focusing on the movement of the feet, the feel of the wind, and the surrounding scenery while walking, which helps to relieve stress and improve physical awareness. In conclusion, all systems in the human body are connected to each other, and health depends on the balance and harmony between these systems. It is important to practice healthy lifestyle habits, focus on the present moment through mindfulness, and develop a personalized health management plan that suits your needs. Through these efforts, we can live a healthy and energetic life.